Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today we are going to learn addition of mixed fractions. We follow 4 steps to add mixed fractions. Step 1. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Step 2. Make denominator same. Step 3. Add numerators. Step 4. If the answer is in improper fraction, then convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. If the answer is proper fraction, then keep it as it is. Let's start. Our first example is 3 2 by 7 plus 2 3 by 7. Here in both the fractions we have the same denominator, but both the fractions are mixed fraction. So we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction first. So to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, first of all we need to multiply this 3 by this 7 and then result is added with this 2. So here we will write 3 cross 7. We will separate the answer of this and answer will be added with this 2. So here denominator is same. Next is plus sign. Next, to convert this fraction into improper fraction, we need to multiply this 2 by this 7 and the answer of this will get added with this 3. So here we will write 2 cross 7 plus 3 and the denominator will be same as it is. Now 7 cross 3 is 21 and this 21 will get added with this 2. Denominator as it is. Next we need to add here 2 cross 7 is 14 and this 14 will get added with this 3. So here 14 plus 3. Now the next is 21 plus 2, that is 23 by 7 plus. Here 14 plus 3 is 17 by 7. Now here you can see that denominator of both the fractions are same. So simply we can add the numerator directly here. So here we can write 23 plus 17 and we need to keep the denominator same. So here 23 plus 17, that is 40 and denominator is same. So here we got the answer 40 by 7, that is an improper fraction. So to finalize our answer, we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So what we need to do here, we need to divide this 40 by 7. So here 5 times 7 is 35 and so here 40 minus 35 is 5. So here what we need to write, we will write this 5 here. We will write this 5 as numerator and then 7. So here, so answer for this question 3 2 by 7 plus 2 3 by 7 is 5 by 7. Our second example is 1 3 by 5 plus 2 7 by 10. So here again first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions. So to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, first of all we need to multiply this 1 by this 5 and the result will get added with this 3. So here we will write 1 cross 5 plus 3 and we will keep the denominator as it is. Next this plus is here. Next we need to multiply this 2 by 10 and then result will get added with this 7. So here we will write 2 cross 10 plus 7. We will keep the denominator as it is. Now here 1 cross 5 is 5. This plus is here, this 3 is here, then 5, here this plus, 2 cross 10, that is 20, then this 7 is here, then 10. Here it is 5 plus 3, that is 8 by 5 plus here 20 plus 7, 27 by 10. Here you can see that denominator of both the fractions are different. So first of all we will try to make the denominator same. So how we can make the denominator same? We will take the LCM of these two denominators. So here when we take the LCM of these two denominator, here you can see that here 5 times 2 is 10. So here we will write 5. Here 5, 1, 1. So LCM of these two is 10. LCM of these two denominator is 10. So what we need to do, we will try to make this 5 as 10. So we can make this 5 as 10 when we multiply this 5 by 2. So what we need, we can multiply by 2 in numerator as well as in denominator. So we will write 8 cross 2 here and we will multiply by 2 here. So we will write 5 cross 2. This 27 by 10. Next is 8 cross 2, that is 16. 5 cross 2, that is 10. Plus, this plus is here. This 27 by 10 is here. Now you can see that here both the denominators are same now. So simply what we can do here, we need to add the numerators. So we will write 16 plus 27. We will keep the denominator as it is. Now here it is 16 plus 27 is 43. So here 43 by 10 is the answer. This answer is in improper fraction. So first of all we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So here 43 is divided by 10. 4 times 10 is 40. Here 43 minus 40 is 3. So here we will write this 4. Here we will write this 3 here as numerator and this denominator as it is. So here we can see that the answer for this 1 3 by 5 plus 2 7 by 10 is 4 3 by 10. Our third example is 1 5 by 12 plus 2 4 by 9 plus 3 1 by 6. We will follow the same step here. First of all, we need to convert all these mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first of all, we need to multiply this 1 by 12 and the answer will get added with this 5. So here we will write 1 cross 12 plus 5 divided by 12. We will keep the denominator as it is. Then this plus is here. Next is we need to multiply this 2 by 9 and then we need to add this 4. So here we will write 2 cross 9 plus 4. We will keep the denominator as it is. Next, this plus is here. Next, we need to multiply this 3 by 6 and the answer will get added with this 1. So here 3 cross 6 plus 1. We will keep the denominator as it is. So here 12 cross 1 is 12 and plus 5 is 17 by 12. Here this plus is here. Next 2 cross 9 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So here 22 by 9. Next this plus is here. Now 3 cross 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So here 19 by 6. Now all the mixed fractions are here in the form of improper fraction now. And here you can see that the denominator of these three fractions are different. So to solve this question, first of all, we need to take the LCM of these three. So here LCM of 12, 9 and 6 will be, let's divide it by 2. So here it is 6, 9, 3. Here again we will take 2. So here 3, 9, 3. Next is 3, 1, 3, 1. Let's divide it by 3, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM of 12, 9 and 6 will be, it is 36. It means what we need to do here, we will try to make these three denominator as 36. So to make the denominator 36 here, we need to multiply by 3 in both numerator and denominator. So here we will write 17 cross 3 and 12 cross 3. We will write this plus as it is here. Next, again here we need to make the denominator 36 as our LCM is 36. So what we need to do? We need to multiply numerator and denominator by 4 here. So we will write 22 cross 4 and here 9 cross 4. Next, this plus as it is here. Next, here to make the denominator 36, we need to multiply by 6 in numerator and denominator. So here 19 cross 6 and here 6 cross 6. Now here 17 by 3, that is 51, and denominator will be 36. This plus is here now. 22 by 4, that is 88 by 36. Next, 19 cross 6 is 114 by 36. Now, we have the same denominator in these three fractions. So, to add all these three fractions, we need to simply add the numerators of these fractions. So, here we can write 51 plus 88 plus 114 divided by 36. So, here 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 1 is pending. So, here 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 1 is pending. So, here 1 plus 1 is 2, 253 divided by 36. Here again we got improper fraction. To convert this improper fraction, we need to divide this 253 by this 36. So, here when we write down the table of 36, here we can say that 7 times 36 is 252. So, here 253 minus 252 is 1. So, here what we will write? We will write this 7 here, this 1 here, and this 36 here. So, answer for this question is 7, 1 by 36. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.